looking at London through London eyes. Travel to London with us as we explore London through the Monopoly board. Let's roll the dice and see where we land next. So we've landed on the Leicester Square. So when you come into Leicester Square, you can come by taxi, or you can catch the Northern Line train, which will take you right outside Leicester Square, and it's obviously Leicester Square Station. So some 250,000 people pass through Leicester Square each day. Leicester Square, which was named after Leicester House, was built in the 1630s by Robert Sidney, the second Earl of Leicester. Behind me you can see the Swiss Glokenspeil clock. So this is located in the part of Leicester Square known as Swiss Court. The musical clock was gifted to the Westminster Council by Switzerland and Liechtenstein. It's a musical clock and you can hear the bells ringing, chiming. I think it's on the top of every hour. Here we are just as we enter Leicester Square, and the store that will just jump out at you is the world's largest candy store, the M&Ms Store. Spread across 35,000 square feet, the M&Ms Store is known as the world's largest candy store. Expect to see candy walls. Life-size characters. Dazzling displays. There are loads of photo opportunities. Loads of merchandise. I think that's a bit small, don't you? Do you remember the Beatles crossing Abbey Road? Well, this is the M&Ms version. This is one of the most busiest and liveliest places in the West End. It's located in the West End, just a short distance away from Trafalgar Square and Piccadilly Circus. Leicester Square is known for its entertainment, cinemas, red carpet premieres, street performers, and also its bustling nightlife. The Odeon Lux hosts most of the UK's Hollywood film premieres. So this is the view behind me, and it's popular for mainstream releases. This is Cineworld, and you can get a variety of screens. You've got 4DX and you've also got IMAX. Apparently this is one of the best ways to see a film. This is another Odeon Lux, which is on the corner of St Martin Street, just on the corner of Leicester Square. Featured in the square are statues of film characters and actors. Here we have a statue of William Shakespeare. It's been here since 1874. Although it's not film related, he has been here for some time, and to be fair, some of his stories or some of his literature, some of the films have been based on it as well, so he got here before they did. There are many cinemas and theatres in and off Leicester Square, with shows like Les Miserables, showing at the Sondheim Theatre since 2004. So just around the corner is a district known as Chinatown. Chinatown offers a dynamic blend of food, culture, shopping and entertainment. As you walk down Chinatown, you'll find a huge range of Chinese, Pan-Asian and fusion restaurants, from traditional dim sum houses to trendy bubble tea shops. It's always lively, with bright red lanterns, colourful shop fronts and bustling streets. So as with most places in London, there's food everywhere. You can eat, drink, take away, whatever you like is here. Specifically here, you get some nice Chinese meals. The Lego store in Leicester Square used to be the world's largest Lego store, but now that claim has been taken over by the store in Australia. So if you're planning to go to the Lego store, make sure you get here early, otherwise you might end up having to queue for a very long time. The name Lego is derived from the Danish phrase "legot," which means play well. The annual production of the bricks today are about 36 billion. Look out for the super duper models like the Aston Martin DB5, great for taking photos. There's a model of the Elizabeth Tower, or Big Ben as you might know it. The 6-metre high building contains over 200,000 Lego bricks. Models also include Spider-Man, a London Routemaster bus, models of the iconic cartoon and film characters, and much, much more. So make sure you look out for more places to go and more things to do when you visit London, as you look at London through London eyes. So let's remind you what you can see when you visit London's Leicester Square. The Swiss Glokenspeil clock, the M&Ms Store, the Odeon Lux and other cinemas and theatres, statues of film characters and actors for a great photo opportunity, the William Shakespeare statue, Chinatown, and the fabulous Lego store. So thanks for watching, please subscribe and like, and look out for the next place to visit when you come to London, as you look at London through London eyes.